If you are thinking about selling your home in Colorado Springs, here is the hard truth. The most expensive mistake usually happens before your home hits the market. Most sellers do not fail because their home is bad. They fail because they launch it wrong. The price is off. The home is not ready. The photos do not create desire. Showings are difficult. Or the listing feels stale before the seller realizes there is a problem. Buyers compare your home to every other home in their price range, then move on. So today, I am walking you through how to sell your home right the first time, without sitting, cutting the price over and over, or starting from scratch. I'm Juanita Simpkins, a Colorado Springs real estate advisor. I help homeowners make smart decisions before they list, especially if they have not sold in years. Selling is money, timing, memories, stress, and one of the biggest transitions people make. So let's talk about what needs to happen before the sign goes in the yard. 1. Do not test the market. One of the most dangerous phrases in real estate is, "Let's start high and see what happens." That sounds harmless, but it can cost you. Your first week on the market is when your home gets the most attention. Serious buyers see it, agents notice it, and your listing feels fresh. If the price is too high, buyers start asking, "What's wrong with it?" The goal is not to price low. The goal is to price strategically so the right buyers take your home seriously from day one. 2. Price against the competition. Pricing can be emotional. You remember what you paid, the updates you made, and the weekend projects that somehow turned into a second job. But buyers do not price your home based on your memories. They compare it to what else they can buy right now. That means we look at recent sales, current competition, pending homes, condition, upgrades, location, views, floor plan, and what buyers are choosing to see. Pricing is positioning. 3. Fix the things buyers use against you. Sellers usually make one of two mistakes. They do too little or they do too much. Too little means clutter, scuffed walls, pet odor, poor lighting, loose handles, and small repairs that make buyers wonder what else has been neglected. Too much means spending thousands on updates the buyer may not value. The best preparation is strategic. Declutter, deep clean, touch up paint, improve lighting, handle minor repairs, freshen curb appeal, and remove distractions. You do not need to make the home perfect. You need it to feel clean, cared for, and worth the price. 4. Market the home like buyers have options. Putting your home in the MLS is not a marketing plan. That is the bare minimum. Good marketing gets attention, creates desire, and gives buyers a reason to choose your home over the others. Professional photos matter. Video matters. Drone footage can matter, especially if the views, lot, neighborhood, or setting add value. But the bigger piece is the story. Instead of saying large backyard, say a private backyard with room for summer dinners, dogs, garden beds, and Colorado evenings. One describes a feature, the other helps a buyer picture their life there. 5. Make showings easy. If your home is hard to show, fewer buyers will see it. If fewer buyers see it, fewer can fall in love with it. That lowers your negotiating power. Showings are inconvenient. You may have pets, kids, work, valuables, medications, or just normal life happening. That is why you need a showing plan before the listing goes live. What times work best? How much notice do you need? What needs to be secured? What is the plan for pets? The smoother the showing process, the better the buyer experience. 6. Do not celebrate too early. An offer is exciting, but it is not the finish line. Now we look at the full offer, not just the price. Is the buyer using financing? How strong is the lender? How much earnest money are they offering? Are there inspection, appraisal, or sale contingencies? Sometimes the highest offer is not the safest offer. A slightly lower offer with cleaner terms may be better than a higher offer that falls apart later. A good sale gets you to closing with strong terms and less unnecessary stress. Closing. If you want to sell your Colorado Springs home the first time, the secret is preparation. The right price, the right condition, the right marketing, the right showing plan, the right negotiation strategy. When those pieces work together, you give yourself the best chance to sell with confidence instead of chaos. If you are thinking about selling, there is a link in the description where you can schedule a free, no-pressure conversation with me. I would rather help you make a smart plan early than watch you fix expensive mistakes later. And if this helped, subscribe for more Colorado Springs homeowner advice.